Okay. Good morning, students. Okay. So in the geography chapter number 1, what does that means? Universe and solar system. In the universe and solar system, in previous class I thought about the universe. So next is solar system also I thought yesterday in the previous class. So next point is planets. What does that mean? The next point is planets. So in the planets, see, today I am going to explain about the planets. Okay. Planet, the word planets means wanderer. What is the word planets means? It means the wanderer. Wanderer. So it has the 8 planets. The planets, how many planets are there? 8 planets are there. How many planets? 8 planets are there. And after that, what are that? So 8 planets combined together is called a solar system. Combined together is called a solar system. So combined together is called a first solar system. What are that means? Names are, first is Mercury, second is Venus, third is Earth. Earth only we can say. Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and last is Neptune. These are the 8 planets. Okay. First is Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. These are the 8 planets where we have in the where we call the solar system. So okay. After that, all the planets which rotate anti-clock. All these planets rotating like a anti-clock. Rotating. See here. All these rotating like anti-clock. It is rotating anti-clockwise. Okay. It's rotate like anti-clockwise. So from west to east, where it should be rotating? From west to east side is rotating. So in that, on their own axis, except Venus and Uranus, on their own axis they are rotating, except which one is? Venus and except Venus and Uranus. These two, which will have the elliptical path in which the planet has to move around the sun. All these 8 planets have to be surrounding the sun only, has around the sun. Around the sun, because all the 8 planets is surrounding from what? The center of the sun. It is a center part. What is the center part means? Here we can say sun is the center part. So after that, it's the 8 planets has to be revolved in their respectively and pull the sun, and because they do not move out of their parts, but anyway we can see it is a solar system. We can't move the sun. Around the sun we can rotate. Who? The 8 planets, not me. It is the 8 planets who are rotating from the surrounded the sun. Okay, and after that the 4 planets which nearer to the sun. 4 planets here. 4 planets is very near to the sun. What is that means? Near to the sun. What is that? First one is Mercury, second Venus, third is Earth, fourth is Mars. So Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars, this is near to the sun. And what is this called? This is called a inner or terrestrial planets. It is called a inner or terrestrial planets. And the inner planets are comparatively, which is small in size. Now compare பண்ணும்போது is very small in size and are composed in the rock. It is composing in the rock side, which is created in the rock. The surface of the inner planets has inner planet what it have mountains, volcanoes and craters. These are the things which have in the inner part of the planets. Okay, so next is the last four planets. The last four planets What is the last four planets here? What is the remaining things we are missing? First is Mars, we wrote, Mercury, Venus, Earth. These are the four things we are wrote. Next is remaining four. What is that means? Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. These are the four last planets. Okay, so in that what is it called means it is called a inner planet and it is called a outer planets. It is called a outer planets. Okay, outer planets also we can say Jovian planets. Outer are Jovian planets also we can say. Okay, so after that there are also called a gaseous giants. Is also these four planets is also called, what is called means also called gaseous planets. Sorry, gaseous giants. What is called means these four planets is also called outer planets or Jovian planets, and after that it is also called a gaseous giants. Okay, so next is in between the asteroids belt has to be found from where? Asteroid belts வந்து எங்க found பண்ணிருக்காங்கன்னா Mars and Jupiter. Okay, so one more thing, this 8 planets, how can we remember means in the mnemonic to the member, what is the order of the planet? Mnemonic. Okay, in that mnemonic order we can say my mnemonic order, what we can say, my very educated mother just showed what? As Neptune. So idhula வந்து நம்ம find out பண்ண முடியும் 8 planets. How means M is Mercury, V means Venus, E means Earth, M means Mars, J means Jupiter, S means Saturn, U means Uranus and last one is Neptune. My very educated mother just showed us Neptune. In that we can find out the mnemonic order what we are finding 8 planets with the help of the first letter. What is the first letter? M. The first letter is B. The first letter is E. Educated. Mother first letter is M. Just first letter is J. Showed first letter is S. And us first letter is U. And the last Neptune first letter is N. These are the remembering thing in the mnemonic order, which you can easily find out the 8 planets. Okay, 8 planets is also called a solar system. Thank you students. See you in the next class.